What's up, man? Hey, what's up? This is Stan from Certified Collision Works. Today, what we're doing is we're installing some weather strips. I think this is a 23 BMW. What is it, like a
X7?
X7, right? And so we put some new doors on here. If you notice, it comes with this little diagram, right? And if you also notice, like it's in like, what is this? So it has the right side and the left side. We already placed the left side on there. So the left side, the right side, this is how they go. So the smaller one will go on top. The middle one goes actually, look in the door check right there. See the door check? And then the bigger one will go on the bottom right here. And so this is basically a guide. The weather strip's gonna come along this. Let's go on the other edge so you can see. You can see how the weather strip doesn't go all the way to the back. It actually comes a little further. So this guide helps you measure where it actually goes. If you want, I'll show you exactly what it does. So let's take this one right here. This one. So let's just say we're replacing this weather strip. This will actually go right there. Line that up. Boom. See it? Perfect. So they're gonna go right on the outside of that. And so this little the line right here, not what is this, like a dotted line? That one goes right on the door edge, like where it curves, and this goes on the inside. Don't put it too far. Make sure this bolt's lined up too. These are freshly painted doors, but I'm still gonna use wax and grease remover to clean out that edge. Just make sure that we have a good surface to stick on. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tape this, like I'm gonna tape this right here just so it doesn't fall off. But I'm gonna start over here. I'm gonna start at this corner and I'm gonna come down this way and I'm gonna go that way. And you wanna make sure that it connects on the bottom. You don't wanna connect it too high on top. So I'm gonna do like a little cut here. I could even start here because that's gonna be like the strongest point. I'll start here. So I'm gonna cut like a little piece of the
back.
Yeah, the double-sided tape. Okay. I want to kind of pull this back a little bit. Then I'm gonna keep going down with it. And if you're replacing the doors on the BMW like this, you're gonna need to replace these weather strips. You're gonna have to replace them because you can't reuse them. It's in there. Might need a couple more. There it goes. That's it. Putting weather strips on a 2022. What is this? X5?
X7.
X7. And so they come like this. They'll come in a big old roll. The double-sided tape on the back, so you can't reuse these. You gotta replace them.